Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix broken external Java and CSS files in Wix website. So, if you're having trouble with JavaScript or CSS not working properly on your Wix site, here's a full step-by-step guide to fix Java and CSS files issues. So first, know that Wix is a closed platform, meaning you cannot upload raw JavaScript or CSS files like you can on WordPress. Instead, you must either embed your code through Wix settings or use Velo by Wix for more advanced control or use Wix built-in tools for styling. So for most CSS fixes, you can go to your Wix editor. So you can click on select and edit site under any site where you want to fix your CSS or Java. Now you'll be on Wix editor. Now you can click on edit site and simply you'll be navigated to your Wix editor. Here, you can use the built-in design settings to adjust font color, padding, etc. So, you will have various tools on this page in order to edit and adjust font, color, padding, etc. Now, if you need custom CSS, you can enable Velo by Wix. You can insert your CSS rules inside a style tag using the custom code feature. So you can go to a new tab, search for Velo by Wix, choose Velo by Wix option and it is going to take you to this page. Here you can easily start a project and insert your CSS rule inside any style tag using the custom code feature and paste it into settings, custom code and head section. Now step 3 is turning on dev mode on Velo from the top menu in Wix editor. So you can navigate to your Wix editor and choose dev mode option and click on turn on dev mode. Now this is instantly going to take you to this page. Here you can easily add your JavaScript inside the page code or site code panels, and you can also make sure that you are already using the correct event triggers like on ready. Now after adding and fixing your CSS or JavaScript, you can preview your site first before publishing, test functionality and layout on desktop and mobile, and fix any errors shown in the browser's console. And that's it. By using Wix built-in tools, Velo coding or custom code sections properly, you can easily fix Java and CSS problems without breaking your site. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.